Let's see how to remove hyperlink in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and insert our hyperlink. And as you can see, we now have our link right here that when you hover your cursor, says the website that you're about to go into. Now let's say that you want to remove the link attached to this text here. So what you can do is simply right click on the text, and from here you have the option to remove hyperlink. And when you click that, as you can see, when you hover your cursor over that link or text now, it doesn't show anything, meaning that the hyperlink attached to the text is now gone. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.